my god.
What's up, y'all? We're down here in the beautiful Laguna Madre. We're getting some shrimp. The kids are up there. Riker didn't show, but that's okay. Y'all saw him in the last video. I think he got a little more sunburnt than he planned on yesterday. For April down here, we got to like 97 degrees yesterday, which at the beginning of my video, I talked about how it wasn't supposed to get that hot. It wasn't supposed to, but it did. So they're over here, we're at the bait shop. We're getting some live bait. I usually fish with lures, but since I got the kids with me, we're gonna stack the odds in our favor. So stay tuned, we're gonna get some fishing done. The wind's not too terrible today. The trout have been on lately from what I've heard and what I've read. So hopefully we show you some good footage of some trout catches, maybe some redfish, sheephead, whatever we can get is what we're gonna try to do. So as soon as they get back with the bait, we're gonna get it. So stick around, hopefully we can get you some good footage. Got like a ghost ball over there. Saw that.
Well, because they keep going back this way.
Oh, well, don't
Like,
reel
I
it.
have so much slack on my line.
It should be going out with the wind. There you go. They die. Shit, we'll go back get more shrimp. Gotta give it a second, Bailey. That looks like a flounder. How slowly he's taking it down. We're sitting on sand.
That'd be awesome on flounder.
I caught a 19-inch one at the other spot.
No shit.
Yeah, last year.
That's a big flounder.
Big ass. I got a picture of it. I wasn't shooting video back then.
We can gig them all the time. Gigging them is fun.
Go ahead and reel it in and recast it, man. Make sure your shrimp's there.
I didn't think you wanted
Oh, look at it. When they take it like that, oh, you got one? Got a perch. It's a trout. Little perch. Little perch. Hey, look at you. Is that a croaker?
That's perch.
Is it making noise?
No. That'd be a really big croaker.
What do I hold this?
Hold it around the gill plate. Hold it right here. Right past the eye. Yep, hold right there. Ooh. We get it?
Hey, self-release. Little croaker. Hey, buddy.
Relax, bro.
You go through there, river. You're already down. There we go. Bailey's down too. Oh, look there. Croaker. You know what croaker means in Spanish? Time to go. Really? No. That was for me. It means time to move in Espanol. Hey, we tried it, man. I know. Get your bait in the water, Bailey.
Aww.
Would be very good. Well, it definitely edited that out.
I don't know, I think it makes it better.
What's up, all? I think I legit have a problem with my GoPro. It did the same thing yesterday that it did the day before. I didn't get a bunch of footage of our fishing trip. Same thing, same problem I had at Mathis on Monday. So I'm gonna do a little investigation, do a little testing with this camera and make sure it's not just operator error. I think it's a 99% chance it's operator error. We'll see. I think I'm gonna go ahead and order another GoPro just to have a backup. I really don't like putting out videos like this. I don't think it's the quality that I want to portray, but I'd like to put some content out there, just kind of showing the time we had. I spent some time with my daughter and my nephew. We had a great time. Windy, crazy. You'll see in the intro that I said it's not that windy. Well, it went crazy after that. We tried everywhere from the King Rat shoreline to Boat Hole, Packery Channel. We did a little bit of everything. You know, it's a tough day when you can't lose live bait. So, but we got a few decent catches. The photo that I put there at the end, those were the 3 keepers we caught. 2 of them pretty decent. So stick with me. Hopefully I'll get some good video tomorrow, heading to Choke. And then I'm taking the wife out on Friday, do a little fishing. She doesn't get to go in the boat as often as everybody else does, just because of job and a lot of the other stuff she's into. She does a lot of volunteer stuff. She's got a project going right now where we're donating a bunch of items to some of the senior citizen centers around here. So she's getting in donations for that. We're gonna set that up and do a lot of those deliveries here pretty soon. So I hope I can get some of that on camera, and we'll be able to show you that footage. So stick with me. We'll see if we can get the technical difficulties figured out, and we'll be back with some quality videos soon. Thanks.